Immemorial Wei River, majestic mountain, the ancient city of Liyang, the most beautiful Xun County. Here, the precipitation of the Yellow River passed. Here, engraved with the achievements of the God Yu flood control. Here, bear witness to the grain of China. This is Xun County, which is a national historical encounter city. Since ancient times, it has been famous for its spiritual talents. The fire, the colorful mud vessel, the Yangming Academy, and the Pishan Giant Buddha all tell the glory of this ancient city. Established in 2006, Brand BAYDEE Plastic Industry Company Limited set sail. BAYDEE Plastic Industry Company Limited is a large-scale, comprehensive enterprise integrating UPVC, profile research and development, production and sales services, high-end door and window system production and installation, and door and window value chain service system output. The company has a registered capital of 150 million yuan, covers an area of 700,000 square meters, and has a workshop of 200,000 square meters. It has more than 1,200 employees and owns BEIDI Profiles, Crown Doors and Windows System, T-Chain Door and Window Value Chain Service System, and other well-known brands in the industry. BAYDEE Plastic Industry has production capacity of 120,000 tons of annual profiles, 1 million square meters of door and window system design capacity, and 40,000 tons of special annual system output. The products cover 28 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China, and are exported to more than 30 countries and regions around the world. The annual sales volume ranks among the top 5 in the domestic industry and has won the CCTV brand for 5 consecutive years. The BAYDEE people always adhere to the concept of inheritance, dedication, persistence, creation of the great country artisan enterprise. It is the beginning of the foundation of the BAYDEE brand. The BAYDEE people always insist on providing quality products and system support for many partners such as real estate providers, contractors, manufacturers, and distributors. The whole chain quality control to provide consumers with comprehensive high-quality living solutions. BAYDEE Plastics Company Limited has been committed to the new trend of door and window system development in the future. It has invested heavily in the establishment of Technology R&D Center, BAYDEE Business College, Brand Operation Center, joint education and training personnel with well-known colleges and enterprises. Through the continuous study of material science, systematic scheme, and market law, the doors and the window system are endowed with better performance. Crown is a product developed by BAYDEE Plastic Company Limited in 2010. Based on the successful development of ultra-low heat transfer coefficient, zero formaldehyde, recyclable, green energy-saving, and environmentally friendly new polymer compounded material compounds, high-end door and window system brand, high-standard integration with cutting-edge technology and design concepts will penetrate fine management into every aspect. Each door and window has undergone 21 procedures, 9 quality inspections, layer upon layer screening, and every part tracking. The automatic sensing of the wind, light, and rain sensing system allows you to get rid of the trouble of forgetting to close the window. You can also turn on the remote control of the mobile phone and control your smart life at will. The 5-filtered fresh air system creates nature for you. Healthy negative oxygen life, turning love and care into every detail. With excellent products and excellent after-sales service, It has won wide acclaim from first-line designers and has become an ideal choice for millions of customers to build green and energy-efficient buildings. Today, China has never approached the center of the world stage. Under the guidance of the One Belt, One Road policy, with the strong support of the central and local governments at all levels of government, we have the confidence to continuously develop and innovate and adhere to the development of green environmental production industry. In order to carry forward the national brand, join hands with all walks of life to create new glory.